everyone, let's check out the door settings on the 2026 Palisade. So now we're gonna check out our door settings. We're gonna go over here where it says vehicle, right over here where it says door. So the first option that you have is this one. It's gonna be automatically lock. So we click on it, and basically you have the option for enable on speed. So if you're driving on a specific speed, like 5 miles or 10 miles per hour, the doors are going to be basically locked. Or you can do enable on speed or shift. So it's basically going to select the conditions when all doors will lock automatically. The second option that we have is automatically unlocked. So it's gonna select the condition when all doors will unlock automatically. So if you put it on park, the doors are gonna unlock automatically, or right over here, if the vehicle is off, the doors will be unlocked automatically, or if you wanna just turn off the feature. All right, so next we have the 2-press remote unlock. So basically, if you press it once, it's only gonna unlock your door. And if you press it 2 times, then it's gonna unlock all 4 doors. The other option that we have, it's gonna be unlock on approach or touch. So basically, if you are close to the door, the door is gonna open automatically if you have your key right next to you. Also, if you just touch the door handle, it's gonna unlock it. So you have unlock all doors or just unlock the driver's door. All right, the other one that we have is power liftgate. So basically the power liftgate button can be used to automatically open or close the liftgate. Right over here you have the option to see the speed, how fast you want your liftgate to be open, normal or fast. All right, the other one we have is power liftgate opening height. So in this one, you're going to be able to adjust the height on the liftgate. You have level 1, level 2, or level 1. Or if there's a specific one that you want to adjust, you can just press the button right on your liftgate. So the smart liftgate, it's going to open automatically when approaching the liftgate with the smart key. And then the other one that we have, it's going to be open the windows remotely. So it's going to enable or disable the ability to open the windows with your key fob. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.